Samsung Galaxy Mega, you will need a small Phillips and bladed screwdriver and a plastic separation tool. You can use a guitar pick, a plastic spudger, plastic knife or your thumbnail. If you're going to replace the screen or the screen frame, you need to use a sucker tool. This is from a windscreen phone mount. You could use a sat-nav or maybe a fridge one. You also need to use a heat source. This is a hot air heat gun. You could use a fan heater or a hairdryer. Make sure the device is shut down. Remove the battery cover. And the battery, which contains the NFC antenna and the micro SIM and SD card. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, undo these 6 silver screws. If you are replacing the loudspeaker, these are the only screws you'll need to remove. Now this speaker housing can be unclipped using a plastic tool. Insert it between the USB port and the speaker housing and lift that away.